Good morning students, I Anil Kumar welcome you back again here. Today I am going to deliver my next lecture on the topic the road not taken. This is one of the most interesting poem. This poem has deep thought, deep meaning. We all face difficulty to choose the alternates regarding careers, regarding other decisions of life. Because whenever we take any decision, whenever we make any choice for anything at that time, we cannot exactly say what will happen to us in future, because future is uncertain. So while making the decisions, we have to keep great courage, reasoning. This poem has been written by the poet Robert Frost. It is one of the most interesting poem which has deep thought. In this poem, the poet gives the ideas about choice making, decision making. The summary of the poem is as follows. One day the poet was going through a forest. The land was covered with leaves. The poet was traveling and reached at a point where the road was divided into two roads. The poet stands there. Now he could not decide which road he should choose. He sees both the roads. One road was travelled by many passengers, but other road was less travelled. So the poet chose the second road, which was less travelled. After some time, the poet reached a place where returning was not possible. At that time, the poet thought, what would have happened if he had chosen the first road? The poet thought, perhaps it would have been better, perhaps it would have been worse. But now the poet had chosen the second road, which was less travelled. So future is uncertain. Nobody can say what will happen to him. Whatever the consequences will be, now he would have to face the results of his choice. So this is the message of the poem, that whatever decision we take, whatever alternate we choose, we have to face its results, we have to face its consequences. The second point is that nobody can certainly say what will happen to him after taking such type of choice, because future is uncertain. Our choices can be worse, our choices can be proved better. It depends on future. So this is the deep meaning of this poem, The Road Not Taken. Thanks. Have a nice day.